Well, here we are on week 3 of bike ownership. And this is what I am dealing with now. So, who would have thought? I literally felt like this bike was undefeatable, but it's these little guys here, these little thorns. The bike was ridden through a field that has these. Yep, they punctured through and got this tire flat. Okay, I'm checking the back tire, and this one looks fine. Just keep in mind that you have to be careful with these. All the time that I've been riding it out on the roads, I run over broken glass, car debris, whatever type of junk there is on the roads. I've been running over it. I've been fine. It was just this weekend, went into a little area, little patch where there was apparently a ton of these. Okay, I'm also going to check the sidewalls, see if there's anything on the sidewalls. Nope, doesn't look like it. Okay, I'm back. It is now Wednesday. A couple of days have gone by since I discovered the front flat tire caused by the little thorns. I went out and bought some slime. This is supposed to be good for 4 tires. It's 8 ounces. So here it says for a dirt bike to use about 8 ounces, and it has 32 ounces, so I could use it for both bikes. I've used this before and it has worked. Of course, there's no guarantee. Okay, a couple things I got here. A portable rechargeable inflator that I got at Costco. You probably noticed that I get several things at Costco. I'm happy with this one. It was $40, and I should have gotten 2. Now they don't have any more. I haven't seen any more. Maybe they have some on the website. But that's okay. So the way that you do this is you use this little tool that they give you to take out the stem. Yeah, I had to apply some pressure there. Some people have complained that these things break. No, it looks like it's fine. Okay, there it is. It came out. Looks like the seal is intact. Okay, leave that there. It's already flat. This isn't gonna get any more flat than that. Okay, yep, that's what I thought. It's sealed, so let's take this off. And we will pour 8 ounces into the tire. Okay, there I am. I have successfully put 8 ounces of this green stuff in there. From experience, I will tell you this stuff is really sticky, so I'm gonna go rinse this off real quick and clean up. And cleaned off the hose. I rinsed it off. Believe me, it is a must. If you don't do it, it'll harden. Okay, so now I gotta just put this little part back in there. It's making a mess. There's stuff everywhere. Make sure I tighten it back into place. Feel like we're good. Okay, nice and tight in there. That is ready for 3 more tires if needed. This over here, I set it to the recommended inflation 225 kPa, which is 32.5 psi. And as you can see, this little guy is great. Just okay, that one's done. So at it, might as well do the back tire. And the final step is to take it out for a spin so that it distributes the slime around the tire. But like even right now, just spin it in there helps. Okay. Okay, so now both front and back are at 32.5 psi, which is recommended in the manual. I looked it up. If you want to be exact, it's 225 kPa. This portable pump doesn't have 32.5, but it does have 225 kPa. That's what I inflated it to. Okay, so now let's take it out for a spin. Go. This is the best part. I get to ride it. So I'll ride it right now. I'll check the PSI tomorrow. I just need to ride it long enough to get that slime to distribute in there, plug those holes. That should be enough time already, but let's keep riding. And I am back. It is now Thursday. 24 hours have gone by since I put the slime into the tire. We're going to check the tire pressure right now. We dropped from 33 psi to 29. Okay, we're back to 225. Let's see if this one lost anything. Interestingly, this one also went from 225 down to 210. So overall, I would say that just the fact that it didn't go completely flat means that the slime is working. I'll keep an eye on it. But there you have it. The slime works. I will continue to monitor the tire pressure. Any problems that I have with these bikes, anything that I find useful that I could pass on to you. Key points from this video. 1, don't take your bike into areas with the goatheads thorns. Stay away from those fields because the tires won't survive. They'll get punctured. If you want to do that sort of trail riding and you're going to be going in areas that have those little thorns, I recommend to upgrade your tires. These CST are good. They are mid-grade. They're not the best, not the worst, but if you want to go and do some heavy-duty trail riding, you're definitely going to have to upgrade these tires. These ones, you could leave them on if you're going to be going on dirt, gravel, rocks, and pavement, and grass. But if you're going to be going in areas with dry brush and thorns, you'll get a flat with these. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos of me sharing Surron knowledge.